guys, my name is Beth Boswell.
And I'm Sarah Rodriguez.
And we run Young Adult Lab here at the CAC. Today we are going to be doing a collage project based off the work of Lindsey Whittle, who created the mural that is behind us. So this spring, Lindsey partnered with a group of high school students to make a mural inspired by community. So they began the mural by pulling together a collection of all of their own personal artworks and collaging digitally from each other's artworks. So everything that you see behind us in the background comes from the students' artworks that they've pulled and worked together into a number of different patterns. Then on top of that, they created shapes collaboratively that were experimentations that could then be worn, taken off the wall, and used for interactions within the museum. So today we're going to be creating a project that is based off of this mural.
So for this project, the materials you're going to need are a plain piece of cardstock or heavy paper, some scissors, a ruler, some packing tape, and also some collage materials. So we have some colored paper and some magazines here to pull textures and color and make into really cool shapes to use for our collages.
All right, so next you guys are gonna clear away all of your collage materials, and now we are going to work to make our frame. So you're gonna take that piece of cardstock or sturdy paper and you're gonna fold it in half, hamburger style. Then you are going to use your straight edge or ruler to create the border. So you're not actually really doing any measuring, but along the sides that open. So we're avoiding the edge with the crease. We are going to create an even edge on each side. So the result will be that there will be a small rectangle in the middle. Next, you are going to cut out that rectangle while your paper is still folding.
Talk about what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing is, instead of just cutting out just the rectangle in the middle, I'm just using that as a guide and kind of creating an irregular border. So you can kind of do it either way. So it's nice to have different options.
So once we have that rectangle or Sarah's irregular shape cut out, this is what you have left. And because you've left your creased edge, you can unfold it in order to reveal your frame. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're going to lay these flat. You wanna make sure that the surface below your frame at this point is pretty clean, because we are going to be packing tape over this, and so you don't want to have anything stick to your packing tape that you're going to peel up. So you're going to lay the packing tape across the entire frame, sticky side down, so that everything is covered. Okay, so once you have your frame made, you want the sticky side of your tape to be face up, and you're gonna use all of those collage materials to decide on your design. So I'm just laying these down and they will stick right to the tape that is facing up. using a combination of shapes and textures to get a similar effect to the mural that is behind us. Let's see. And thinking about the combinations of colors that I want to include. And then when you flip it over, you have your final framed